Hey guys, we are. Wait, I don't know how you can see me, but let me see. Should you see my screen, right? Wait, what? Oh, okay, you can see me. So even if I put it this way, okay. All right. So from what I can see on NQ, I caught this. Let me take this off right now. I'll put this back. I entered here. I entered by 315. This is actually not a real trade. I just I've been just watching the market. So what I saw here, the first thing that I saw here was that let's go to the weekly time frame. Oh yeah, yesterday which was Christmas Day, I just came to the charts and looked and I saw this I think it was a monthly, right? Uh, yeah, I saw this monthly fair value gap here created quite a while back. You can see this fair value gap. Well, that's the only thing I saw. That's the only thing I saw. The fair value gap and other block from the start of the month. Just that. This is December 2022. I don't know why it's in NQ 2024, but you never know, right? But this is December. This is this year, the whole of this year, and December created an order block right here, a bullish order block right here. So this is from the monthly time frame, nothing much, a little fair value gap here, and of course the move to the upside. So let's break down to the weekly. Then the weekly, I didn't even look here quite as much. It was looking kind of choppy because the weekly was, you can see there's some opening gaps here. So yeah, but basically, if you look closely, what do you see? Do you see it? Do you see it right here? Yeah. So if you look closely, you can see we have an order block, or will I say, I don't know, it's not yet ripe for a mitigation block. Or it took old highs. So yeah, this is a breaker block. Yeah, but it has to come back. And this is a weekly breaker block, so I don't have to mark this out. That doesn't really matter for me right now. So that daily time frame, which is kind of the most important, the daily is so choppy, guys. Look, just look at this, bro. I am telling you, the daily is so choppy. But this here is, of course, NQ page 2024, like for March, this March 2024, which is Q1 of next year. You can't, nobody trades there. If okay, let me show you an example. Hold on, give me a second. Let me go to let's go to oh I can't. Yeah, I can. Okay, my bad. I can. So if you go to NQ here, let's say we want to go to the beginning of 2022, which we basically can't. As you can see from here, they take off the old contract. So we are currently in March, which has the volume of, yeah. If you don't understand this, this is I trade futures. So, or I'm aspiring to trade futures. So if I zoom in, if you zoom into this and I zoomed in here, nothing much, just looking like we have a good order block right here. You can look closely. This is a very let me just map that out. Oh, and actually, I think you have to pay for these. What do they call this? They call this CME. CME group has their. Let me show you what it's supposed to mean. Here, I have a 10 minutes delay, so I have to pay $5 every month for this. And I'll be doing that from next month anyways. I'm just trying to tell you guys. So as you can see here, this is an order block. Okay, this is it was a bearish order block, but now it's kind of bullish because we made it an order block reverse. So we see it tapped here, reversed, went down to the old fair value gap we had previously, and then it didn't reach the constituent equivalent of the fair value gap. It didn't reach, but it went close. We caught here, tapped in immediately, impulsive move. Another order block was created, and boom, what happened? Market went above the order block it has been trying to break out for quite a while now. And if you look here closely, you can see this is a pool of liquidity from here to here. That's a pool of liquidity right there, and it had to be taken out. And also, if you look closely, you can also see that we also had sell side liquidity resting right below here, and yeah, the market came and went back up here and took that liquidity and took this liquidity right here. Let me mark everything. I think I have something that marks. Yeah, sell side liquidity. I need to make your price after liquidity. Let me save that. All right. So as you can see, this buy side liquidity was created, and also I think this is a market structure shift right here and a reversal. But I don't know. I'm still learning, but I know that this buy side liquidity was created and was taken out immediately, and then it took out this buy side liquidity right up this impulsive candle. And if you can see this candle here, I don't know what to call. I think this might be an order block, but I don't know. It's not that significant yet, but it's another block, and boom, took this high right here. It took this sorry, let's say it took this what do I call this? Buy side liquidity. Sorry guys, I'm having so if you look previously here, there's a 3 bar swing high created right in the other block, and in that other block right there, created this swing high. It did of course take the liquidity right here. It took the liquidity. The people who fell for this trap entered and bam bam boom took the liquidity right here, reversed back. Why? If you look closely, the small 3 bar swing low, so the liquidity right there was taken out. And once that was taken out, I know it kind of looks hindsight even to me, but I know. And it took sort of liquidity right here. Market went up. It created this order block here. Here. I don't know what to use as an order block here, but I'll just say a series of order blocks, a series of candles will do the job. Here, you can look closely. This is just a daily time frame, nothing much here. So yeah, let's break down to the 15 minutes or 1 hour, 1 hour. So 1 hour, if you look closely in the 1 hour, you can see hmm, it looks more cleaner. That's the first thing I noticed. There's a big order block right here. There's a massive order block in 1 hour right here. That's why price is always choppy inside here. Price is choppy inside this fair value gap. Sorry, fair value gap. It's very wide. You see this impulsive move, but price slowly delivered the price right up here. So this fair value gap here has been delivered way back. Okay, this fair value gap here has been delivered, which we can see when price moved away from this other block right here. It went up. There are main gaps to be delivered. This one has been kind of delivered, but not completely. This market goes up, swings low, no, goes up, comes down, goes up, comes down, goes up, comes down, goes up, comes down, almost to break the old swing low. Doesn't break the swing high. Doesn't break the old high. Doesn't take the old high. Doesn't take the old low. Consolidates sideways, sideways, takes the old high, blah 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 blah, blah. Boom, covers all the fair value gaps left behind, and the imbalances it had behind them, and it created its own imbalance, and it was delivered anyways. So from what I can see, yeah, and you can see this fair value gap. I think this is a daily fair value gap. Oh no, that's too much. I think this is a wait, did I get this fair value gap? I think it's a 15-minute fair value gap. Hold on, let me check. I think it's 15-minute value gap. Oh yeah, it's 15 minutes value gap. So in the 1 hour, in that 15 minutes value gap right there, if you look closely, there's actually a 1 hour value gap rested below there. Price reacted nicely, created an 1 hour order block right below here. If you look closely, you can see The block, the candle before the impulsive move is called an order block. It's bullish order block. So when it created the order block, price reacted nicely on when it created this fair value gap in the 1 hour. Wasn't quite delivered. So if price, I'm looking for price to continue to upside, but if price comes down to deliver this imbalance right here, imbalance right here, delivers this imbalance right here. It didn't quite deliver. It did deliver it. If you look at this candle right here, can you see this candle? It did deliver it. So my bad. But I mean, it's good to always note it, right? But I think if value gap is already done its job, it has been delivered. So I just mark that out. Price reacted nicely. I think this is a news event. 2 p.m. makes sense. But let's check. Wednesday 22nd. No, Friday 22nd. Let's check the news. Yeah, let's check for the news on 22nd of this month. I thought it was dark right now. 22nd apply settings. Okay. Oh, okay. CPI, GDP, retails, these are all GBP. This is not, I don't know what this has to do with NASDAQ, right? I don't know honestly what this has to do with NASDAQ, but I don't know. It's kind of a news day, right? Isn't it? Yeah. I'm not seeing this is CPI, I think. I'm not seeing FOMC. Am I seeing FOMC? I don't know. I'm not seeing that. That move happened by 2 p.m. So if I check 2 p.m. Eastern time, so yeah, 6 hours, 2 p.m. Hold on, guys. 8 p.m. 8 p.m. There was no news by 8 p.m. Okay, so I don't know what this is. In my 8 p.m., should it be the day before or hold on, guys? It's just a lot. Let's keep up the news. I want to know if that was a news impact because that was very okay. 23rd was Saturday, my bad. But is this only for Forex? They don't have news for. How do you get news for you know Nasdaq? I don't know honestly, guys. But yeah, anyway, it is what it is. So I think that was news because this move right here, bro. Yeah, unexpected, bro. This is definitely news. So back to the basics. I'm sorry, back to what we're doing. Price reacted to the price filled this value gap, went below, went up. Why? I don't know. Can explain that. But I see a 3 bar swing high right here. Then price. I think we actually created uh, oh no. But this is another block. This is another block. Well, I'm not going to mark that out. Well, I'll just know that this. Let me just do this right. Yes. This is another block I should check it out. So price reacted nicely. Impulsive move up. Fair value gap in between these two. The little fair value gap. If you look closely, you see there's a little fair value gap right there under the other block. Very nice. So I think honestly, swing high, does it come low? It doesn't give any reason for the price to come low. There is no reason for the market to do so, to come back down here and go up. But we have old highs. We have an old high resting right above, right here. So I'm looking for the market to go and take that old high. And this is the other, but this other block is not really effective because you can see how the candle is. It's not a full candle. It's just a tick. But a wick, sorry, this is just wicked out to this area. So it's not really a full on, candle. So I think this entry was a mistake because I didn't analyze this way. This is where I plan to enter right here. And I put my stop loss right below the swing low right here. So if price definitely comes down to test this fair value gap and also this other block right here, I should be safe. I should be safe if I should, it's right here. But now I'm kind of like on a 1-to-1 risk ratio. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, 1-to-1. But I am seeing this. This is what I'm seeing. Also, 15-minute time frame. This is what I'm seeing, guys. 15 minutes. We have this fair value gap right here. I kind of try to mark out the consequent encroachment of the fair value gap in between year on year. And also, if you look closely, you have a sell side liquidity taken out right here. So one thing about liquidity I just learned is that before it takes that liquidity, it will create that liquidity, right? Then it will go up for a bit and come down and take it. This is the creation of the liquidity. No, I don't know. This is just like marking out. I'm just trying to be logical here. Creates the liquidity first. There's a liquidity pool right here. It goes back up and then it takes it. All right. This is the idea of liquidity, of engineering liquidity. So it creates this liquidity right here. Market then see if you look closely here, market just came down straight up to liquidity and took it out. But it's not clear. You need to touch the liquidity, create it and validate the liquidity, and then go back up and come down. So let me just take this is so distracting, guys. Let me just take this. So I'm just looking like price, okay, should price went up, okay, he went up again and then took the liquidity right here. So if we are going up, okay, guys, if we are going up to the upside, it should be now. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. If you're going up, it should be now because I've already taken this what do we call sell side liquidity. Now we have buy side liquidity to be taken out, bro. Come on. You have buy side liquidity to be taken out. We have a support of the fair value gap. Guys, let me write down the components right here. We have a fair value gap. Okay? Bullish one, to be honest. Fair value gap, an order block, a bullish order block, if you look closely. And guys, sell side liquidity. What else could you want? Huh? This all rests inside here. A fair value gap, an order block. Oh, hey, Christian, where is the other block? This is the other block, right? There's another other block right here below, and it tapped into the other block, but it didn't take it out. Okay, it did take it out. But if you look, do you have a big other block? Because this other block right here, it's not really significant because of the. It kind of rigged out. It's not a full body candle, but it is what it is, and it is with the fair value gap, and also sell side liquidity has been taken out. But I'm right now. What I'm concerned about, honestly, is if this is correct, if this liquidity is correct right here. Okay, I don't know if this is liquidity because I used to enjoy. I see liquidity as a swing low, touch the swing low, right to the next low that takes it. So this is not a 3 bar swing low. Let me zoom into that real quick, and it's kind of it's yeah it's a swing low. It's actually ahead of. I kind of try to if I look at this, it's equal, guys. Come on, this is so equal, so equal. It is so equal. So I don't know if I can call that liquidity, but anyways, you can see that it was matched up here. It was matched up here. Okay, so I've been looking at the charts for since 3 a.m. of New York time, or will I say Eastern Standard Time. So I don't know if this is liquidity, but if this is liquidity, I think the market this is going to be the reason why the market should go down and take this liquidity right here. But this is not what I'm scared of, honestly. What I'm scared of is this. If it breaks through this liquidity, takes out this sell side liquidity resting right below here, breaks through this fair value gap we have, guys. If that happens, then we are taking a loss. We are taking a loss. We have an order block resting below here. If he just takes that, that's all I can see, right? Because my entry was right above here, yeah, and my target is for old high and I gave some room for this for the market to come here and play out. This is the entry entered here. Okay. This candle. Yeah. So guys, yeah, I'll update you on what happens. That's all I see in the market right now. I told you I'm still learning. This is just the basics of what I'm seeing. Fair value gap, order block, sell side liquidity, buy side liquidity, and also this is our target, old highs. Where did I get this from? Look closely, guys. 1 hour time frame it's an old high to be taken out. That is buy side liquidity. It needs to be eliminated. It needs to be what eliminated. So I don't know. I'll just wait for that to happen. Let me try and get this correctly, okay? Um, oh yeah. So what? Yeah, that's my target. And we have enough volatility in the market to do this. Okay, I don't know. I CME data is they said my data is kind of you see, like I have to pay that $5 for the package every month. But I go to Trade of It, and what I see in Trade of It is the price here is 17012, right? Come here, 170 is the same thing. All right, it's the same thing. I don't know why. Okay, let me say I want to go to 2 minute time. Let's go to this breakdown. I like 2 minutes. Bro, okay. You know what? 1 minute. Yeah. Yeah. What? Okay. From the 1 minute, if you look closely, you can see that, bro, we are charting. Can you see? It's moving based on 1 minute. I'm actually seeing the candle move, but it's not. Okay, let me make an example. Okay, hold on, guys. Let me show you guys an example of what I want to be seeing. Let's say Euro USD. If you go to the 1 minute time frame here, you see how this feels. Can you see that you can watch the ticks of the candle move, like we are actually seeing the candle make some action, and this is what I want to be seeing on NQ. I don't want to be seeing like it's, look at this candle, guys. Just look at the candle. Within the 1 second, you see the movement of the candle. You see, sorry, within the 1 minute, you see the candle movement and everything actively moving. You can actually like monitor it. Just look at the candle. In 1 minute, you've had 4 movements or 3 movements. You see, but if you go to NQ, the same. Look right here, guys. Surprise! Look at that candle. Just watch that candle. It's I just feel it's different. I don't know. I'm still a newbie anyways. Who cares? Christian, nobody cares about you being a newbie. Get out. Fuck off. Okay, I get it. But hey, in the 1 minute time frame, I'm seeing this. I don't know, guys. I have seen this model before. I don't even know what a model is like. I'm not really sure of what a model is meant to be, but I know I have seen this in ICT. Something like consolidation, expansion, consolidation, expansion, retracement. I'm seeing it, guys. If you look at this 1 minute time frame, let me just mark this out. If you look here, consolidation, expansion, consolidation, quite a while, expansion, consolidation, a bigger consolidation, longer consolidation, expansion. This is wow. I don't know what to call. Honestly, I don't know what to call this. I don't know what to call this. Yeah, you see, expansion, retracement, retracement happened here, guys. Let me take this out. Retracement happened here. Now we are ranging to do something funny. I don't know what we're ranging to do something funny, but I don't know if it's upside. I'm telling you, my bias is very fucked up. I don't know if you're going to the upside, but I'm seeing things. Hmm? I am seeing things. I don't mark 1 minute paper gaps and the other shenanigan because it's like it's very insignificant. But no, trust me, it's very significant. But it's another block right here. Another block right here. Maybe market can come here. Maybe market can come here. I don't know. I think I'll use a swing low here. Yeah, I think I'll use a swing low. Maybe market can come here and reverse. This is a reversal, guys. Other block resting below it. Come back, test it up to the upside. I don't know. I am just seeing bullish. Okay, guys, I'm seeing bullish. That's all I can see. Bullish. Like the bullishness is clear in my eye. That's what I'm seeing, guys. That's what I'm seeing. But if you're seeing anything, this is just my forecast for today. That's all I can see. All I can see is this. Calm down now. Wait, sorry. Mhm. So, this is all I can see, guys. All I can see is this. So, yeah, I will update you in the next few hours of what happened in the market. But this is what I'm seeing. This is my analysis of NQ today. I want to go back to ICT and go and continue my learning, but I hope also how to mark the charts every time. Okay, so yeah, um, this is what I'm seeing, guys. That being said, I'll see you. Oh, I'm seeing a nice reaction here. Can you guys see that? Market reacts right into this fair value gap. Oh, sorry, right into this other block right here and pushes up like never before, guys. Boom, boom. I don't know. Let's not be excited with the market. This other block has been created. So yeah, I expect further price going to the upside. You can see from here, boom, 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 and what? Boom, guys. That's it. That's all I see, guys. All I see. Boom, boom, boom. This liquidity needs to be taken out. The market needs to continue to the upside. I've seen this somewhere. I have seen this guy somewhere. Yes, believe I have seen this guy somewhere. I know I've seen this setup, this model somewhere. I just don't know what the model means, but I know I have seen it. I know exactly what the model means, guys. This is this is clearly bullish, guys. Clearly bullish. Clearly bullish. We are going up. But my problem is that we didn't take the previous swing high, which is this high. Yeah, it wasn't taken out. So I'm seeing that too. That's one of my fears. Um, but anyways, I'm seeing that it hasn't been taken out yet. So just marking that out. Bold high of when 22nd of the month. So and also the guys they say people always say that it's very wrong to trade on December. That the market's volatile and all that crap. I'm like, if you can't trade on December, bro. I mean, I know time and price work together, but you don't have any. What if you're with a gun pointed to your head, trade on December and show me your trade, and you're like, nigga, I can't trade on December, nigga, yeah, all that crap. Sorry if I'm being annoying. I'm really sorry about that. What is this? What is this? That being said, guys, I'll come back to you. I would really love to do a live trading with you guys. But hey, I'm still a noob. I'm seeing this. I don't have. Nah, I need to go. Bye. I'll record the future of this trade. Bye. Hello guys. I'm sorry for my mic. I know my mic is very bad. I'm very sorry about that. I'm going to be using my phone mic in the future videos. I'll just put that in my video when I edit. But um, yeah, as you can see, we have a nice reaction from this candle. The market is very liquid today, so we're expecting movement to the upside. But guys, I saw something that really bothered me. Oh my god! I need to show you guys this. I have s- I have been learning ICT for quite a while, and I tell you, when I saw this, what did I see? This is a market maker buy model. This is a market maker sell model. Okay, just that even if this is a market maker sell model, right? What's the worst that can happen, right? It goes up, it comes down. It's a triangle, literally. So if I take my fib from this swing low right here, I take that to the upside. You can see we tapped in to that level, the level of discount. We tapped into that level. But I don't know why price should be going down. Yeah? I don't know why price should be going down. But if it happens, I will know that this happened because this is a market maker sell model. But let me reverse my mindset. Let me trade like I'm trading the market maker sell model. Let me say I take this swing high, okay? And I go to the swing low right here. You see, the risky part of this is that the market, the premium, so from discount comes to the premium. If it goes back up to this optimal trade entry, right between 0.7 and I don't know what to call this. If the market goes below 50%, which is right here, okay, and I'm seeing that if market goes there, this is the only thing that can go against us. If the market goes in right here, okay, you see that? Okay, let me just not use this swing low. I know it's kind of hindsight. So what I'll do is I'm going to use this low right here, okay, where the market maker model started. You see that low, bro? We are in a very nice. This if anything is happening against us, if the market is going against us, it has to be now. This is where this is the optimal trade entry. This area. So right now we are in a premium and the market has to go down. If it's a market if this is really a market maker sell model, do you know I'm seeing that? I'm seeing this. If you look closely here, okay, you see retracement, expansion, consolidation, retracement, expansion, consolidation right here, retracement, expansion, consolidation, retracement, expansion. Now it turns to a sell model. Consolidation, retracement, change of character, market structure, everything, break of structure, market shift, everything happened here. And retracement to the downside, expansion to the downside, and this retracement in to the premium in a bearish order block, in a bearish order block, guys. Now I'm thinking my trade two times because I'm seeing something against me. And this is what's against me. I'm seeing this optimal trade entry, this market maker sell model. I'm seeing it clearly against me. So what do? I watch and see what happened. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So I just said let me update you guys on this. And sorry for my shit my quality. I'll make sure that in the future videos. Actually, guys, I'm not really doing this video for the viewers. Honestly, I'm doing this for myself, so I can always come back and view my live trading, and I will of course know where to improve. But you guys can be among the journey. I know I have traders watching. Yeah, I don't know, but this is not majorly for you guys. This is for me. I can review, but I can review my old trades and know what my mistakes and of course work on my mistakes. So I'm kind of documenting my journey on this channel. So you don't really have to be part of it, but I appreciate anybody who you know motivates me, and also traders out there who want to chase this career too. But that being said, you know my bias, you know everything I'm trying to do here, guys. I don't know if this is good or bad, but the market is going up. It's kind of. I'm not going to look at the. I'm not going to look at. I'm trying to, I'm trying to look at the odds against me here. We have the market maker sell model. Hmm? We have this, and this is where the sell model will land, right here. Oh, let me mark that out. Oh, market maker sell model. Seeing that clearly, bro. Bro, I am seeing that. But anyways, I'll update you in the trade anyways. I'm not going to be editing this video, so it will be almost an hour long. But you don't have to watch it. Honestly, you can skip through and go to the important parts. But this is like what my trading looks like. I'm not even trading yet. I don't have any account to trade yet. I'm not trading a prop yet. I'm still practicing. I'm still learning. I'll start trading in the next 6 months. In the next 6 months maybe. But right now I'm learning. I'm in the learning phase. So if I open my Notion right here, you can see every trader should have a trading journal. Trust me. Of course I'm a beginner trader, so you should have this in place if you want to take this seriously. So this is my trading notes. Yeah, I'm still marking out thing, but this is the one I started with. Or started with. Where is my trading plan? Diary. This is my trading diary. This is where I come and write, you know, about everything I'm trading. This is my first. This is the last account I blew. Why? Blew my first profit. Why me? I was using an indicator here. So yeah, that's all about, yeah. And I kind of put my voice in some of my, um that's me. So I just come out update my, yeah. Don't mind that, anyways. You just need to have all this in place. But I'm not trading currently. I'm still learning, so I'm just forecasting. You can say that I'm calling the markets. I want to know how many times I'm correct and how many times I'm wrong. This is not an entry. This is not trading. I can't trade because I don't have the data yet. I'll start trading them all next month when I buy the CME data. Sorry for the noise, guys. I'm really sorry. Forgive me. Anyways, that being said, guys, I'll see you once the market plays out by the end of the day. That's how to trade. I think so. I won't be editing this video. I've said this, so sorry. See you. So
1, 2, 1, 2. All right. Hello guys, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Sorry for the fan noise. I'm currently using my phone's mic so you can hear me clearly. Let's go back to the charts, which is kind of the most important thing today. When I went back to our trade recently, what was this? We smashed TP in the PM session. We smashed TP. Also, yeah, I got this alert on my phone. So guys, wait, I want to see how you're seeing this. Okay, you can see me clearly. So let me continue. All right. So right here, this is exactly what I marked in the morning, the AM session, which is by 9 a.m. Which is right here. This is okay, not 9 a.m. but by 3 a.m. By 3 a.m. of New York time, as you can see right here, this is New York time. By 3 a.m. of New York time, I came to the charts and of course, we monitored this and we watched everything. So as you can see, the market played out after some kind of sideways movement for a couple of hours. So after this movement the market made right here, you could see that it went in our position. It also kept on doing that sideways movement for quite a while till it hit our take profit, which is the old high that we targeted from the from the 1 hour, or let's say 15 minutes. So yeah, my bias was correct. And also remember I said something. I said something about the market maker model, the buy and the sell. As you can see, it actually got to the sell, which is the market maker sell model, which I marked out early today. You can see clearly this candle broke through this little fair value gap right here, and when it tried to get into this fair value gap, I don't know how, because this candle, honestly, this candle is very insignificant. It's just too small for me. But if you look closely, guys, if you look closely, you see that this candle right here, this candle formed a fair value gap with that impulsive move, guys. There's a fair value gap there. So it hasn't been delivered. I don't know. I think this was created. The market tried to dip into it with these too many confluences, a fair value gap, another fair value gap here, another block here. The rejection was massive. Had a massive rejection right here. So the market from here, the market from I think 16,985 points took off. It didn't take off. It took time. But by the open of the, I think by 9 a.m. Yeah, 9 a.m. New York time. As you can see here, yeah, I was correct. 9 a.m. New York time, the market got some kind of liquidity, and of course, it took out this buy side liquidity, which I marked here earlier today. As you can see, it has been taken out, so that's good. That means we are correct. That was taken out. Same to this one right here. It was taken out. Sorry, I lost learned this from ICT, so I'm not focused on it. It has been these two buy side liquidity. This one here was taken out right here. If you look at this, you can see that this was taken out right here, and this one was taken out right here. And then oh, so the market did all these movements today. Now this has adjusted kind of to this area, and then this one here. All right, so if you look closely, you can see that this didn't actually start here. This actually started somewhere here. Okay, so you can see I've seen this model many times. Honestly, I've not seen it in the chart, but I've seen it when I'm learning from ICT and from people who teach ICT's concepts. You can see the market goes up, comes down to a fair value gap or an order block, which is a PD array resting below here. It goes down. I don't know what this is. Maybe this is the fair value gap it tested. Ideally, guys, ideally, I'm not capping right now. Our entry should have been from here. This fair value gap. This is where our entry should have been from the start. This is where our entry was meant to be. But I'm not that good yet. I'm getting better, and I've learned this today. As you can see, we missed our entry, but this is where the entry could have been. This fair value gap. This fair value gap is like, come on, and this is where the market maker model lands. And as it lands here, it taps into this fair value gap. This is like the best entry. There are two PD arrays, two confluences. It just makes sense that the market has to come here and go up. I didn't see this early, but I've seen this today and I've learned this. But this didn't make sense a lot because it kind of went down. If I put my stop loss, assuming I put my stop loss somewhere here, right, I would have been taken out. But I'm still learning. That's why we are using a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. Hold on. What? Yeah. That's why we use a 1-to-1 risk to, hold on, put my mic, put my phone falls down. That's why we always use a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. Okay. So back to what I was saying. What what is going on? I'm confused. Okay. So back to what I was saying. At least we weren't taking out, but at the same time, this would have been a winning trade. Well, if I took my this to the old low, which is right here, would have been taken out. But if my long was here, if I took my long here and put my stop loss right under this the old low here and put this right here at this old high, do you know this is on one a two to this is a, you know what I just say, let me just say this is a three, this is one is to this is a one is to three, one is to three risk to what to reward ratio, guys. 1:3. I'm not that good yet, but I've learned this, and next time I won't make this mistake again. But as you can see, we didn't get that. Instead, we got a 1:1 or 1.3:1 risk to reward ratio, which is, good for a beginner. Just keep on getting 1:1, and then you can increase. So yeah, this is just my trade review for the day. You can see the market spiked up here. I watched this live action, this live price action, and it was very, here was quite boring. But hey, this is the charts. But guys, once it got to the PM session, once it got after the launch hour, which is by I don't know, but I think I have it on my phone. It reminded me after the launch session, we now started the PM session, which is right here, right here. I think here, yeah, by 2:15, the market started taking off from here, went up, created this fair value gap, never returned to it. I don't know why, but it just went. Yeah, if you look closer, see this is the fair value gap right here. But guys, it created the fair value gap, and this made another entry for people who wanted to get in, But you got if you got in now, if you got in at this time, okay. Let me just mark that out. If you got in at this time, right? Sorry for that. I'm just not using my keyboard. I'm just trying to, if you got in at this time, yeah, this would have been like super scalping. Honestly, this would have been super scalping. You already know what you're doing in the market. So, what you have used an old high, right? Currently the old high here is this. I don't think you have been in profits. I think you're just been consolidating for a while. But yeah, but you can see that clearly. Let me zoom that in. That's not working out. So let's say your entry was here. You have been tapped in here, but let's be honest, guys. This volatility is very. The week is very, very like it just dips in a bit. Okay, it's not really, ideal. It's not what I'm seeing. If you got in here, let me just say here, yeah, that wouldn't have counted. Let me just put it here. Okay, let me say you got in here. This is currently where the price is at, and you have aimed at the old high, which is this. Now that's just scalping. If I was doing that, I would have been. Let me just break down to the 1 minute, basically. Let me see how that looks in 1 minute time frame. Okay, now we have much more of a, much more of a framework to work with. If I saw this, yeah, I would have caught this move here. I would have caught this move right here. You just simple scalps, guys. Oh, I see why. There's another block inside. There's a fair value gap inside here. I would have taken profit here if I got in here. Stop loss would have been very, very minimal like this. Yeah, but this is like super scalping. You have used a high, super scalping basically. So as I was saying, guys, this is what I saw in the market. This is what I saw in the market. And you see, it went right to our take profits and we smashed TP1. This is my first day in trading Nasdaq, like learning and trading at the same time. So yeah, you can see it's quite late today. This is 12:32. This is 12:33. This is 12:32 in my time, but kind of 6 p.m. New York time. Kind of like the market's closed by 4 p.m. New York time or 3 p.m. I think 3 p.m. Yeah, yeah, I think 3 p.m. or 4 p.m. something like that. That's when the market closed. 4 p.m. So, but there was a move inside this market. I was watching Top Step TV. There was a live session on Top Step where Kami Capital, which is one of the guys I watch, he was trading live. He got into this trade right here. I think, oh no, not this one, not this one, not this one. But he got. I watched this live on Top Step. There was this impulsive move right here, and he saw this fair value gap. Immediately he saw this fair value gap, guys. I'm telling you, he just went right into he just put yeah. Basically, this is what he just did. He put his a short position right there. He put a short right here. So once he put the short right there, I saw this when the market was still at this point. Let's just play that from there. All right. So let's just play that. Okay. So basically, the market did all this. You see, when once he saw this right here, the first thing he did was he noticed the fair value gap and he marked it out and put this right here. And I think he put his TP right here. He was marking for this position right here, this old low, the 3 bar swing low. If you see that, so I was like, this is nice. But what was nice was that the market actually did exactly that. But when we were watching the charts, the market tapped in to the fair value gap. See that? But let me go back. How do I go back? Okay. Trading view, man. So if you see clearly that candle right here, this one tapped him in. All right, this one tapped him in. At this point, he was already in the market. So the price went down, then created this very huge rejection block. This is very important, guys. I think I learned this today from Topstep TV. This this block right here, and the ICT has been saying this too. This week right here is very important. This is called the rejection block. The price tried to tap into this zone, and it was rejected massively. You can see that clearly it was rejected. I mean, he almost hit his take profit, but it wasn't sufficient. But personally, as a noob, me personally, if I was scalping in 1 minute and I saw this, I would have honestly not lied. I would have gone for this 3 bar, this low right here, just to take that small pip. I think that's nine points. But this is like the ideal because it's a 3 bar swing high right here. If you notice that there's a 3 bar swing high, so swing low, swing low. So as I was saying, price then he as he noticed this rejection block right here, he was like, you know what, I'm out. Took profit, left the market with about, I don't know, I think it's $60 profit. So that was about this right here. He left, but guess what, guys? The market came back, smashed the take profit. This is something about the market, like people always get angry about, is that you have foreseen this action, you left the market because every candle tells a story, and you saw this big block right here. Personally, for me, if I had seen this as a beginner, I wouldn't have left the market. I would have stayed. I would have continued riding the wave, and I would have definitely hit take profit. But as a professional, if you look at this clearly, you would have seen this big candle that was rejected back from this area to this zone. Would have left, and the market just played out nicely after that, and it even went back to the hold on. He went back to this. If you look closely, you will see there's another block right here, resting below here. He went back to this other block, tapped in back, and this would have been a good entry, for a long position right from here. But this is when the market was about to close. I would have scalped a bit for, let me say this swing high. I'd have scalped a bit. That's what I'll be doing most of the time, scalping. And I don't think I would have been tapped in. So I don't think I would have been, taking profit at this point. Hold on, guys. Oh yeah, and the market just played out like that. But you can see right here, this is a sideways market, so ranging market, no movement. There's no, yeah. Well, this I would have taken profits around this area once the market closed around 4 p.m. If you once 4 p.m. hits, it's just good to leave the market because anytime after 4 p.m. is dead time in indices trading. So I just, I would have left here anyways. This is the market close. I've left the market there, and I would have caught this. Um, I would have caught this right here. This would have been a 16 points. Yeah, this would have been good, guys. This is some minimal scalping you do in the daytime. Sorry, you do, trading. But I have learned many things today, and I really appreciate the content on YouTube. Top Step, which is the owner of the prop firm. Basically, they do this you know, live session with coaches and traders. So, you know what? We're just lucky to have this opportunity. This is one of the best times to learn trading because you have everything you need. You don't have any excuse unless it's maybe you don't have the money to buy a prop firm account. But I think buying challenges is part of the game. But I'm not ready to buy a challenge. I'm still learning. So, this is first day, guys. If you watched this part of the video, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, which is tomorrow. I'll be forecasting the market again tomorrow, and I will see. So today is a win day. What a day, guys! What a day! I will see you in the next video, and if you enjoyed this video, drop a like, subscribe. Check out my main channel where I do tech tutorials. It might not be something you like, but it's my main channel. It's my hairline. Take care, guys. I think I'll start wearing a cap or a bandana in my videos because my hairline is very. Oh my god. Peace.